Today, I'm going to teach you how to install an HTML email signature in Mozilla Thunderbird. This is a great way to make your emails look more professional and ensure consistent branding across all your messages. First, open your Thunderbird application. Once it's loaded, you'll need to locate the email account where you want to install the HTML email signature. Right-click on that email account, and from the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open up your account configuration options where you can customize various aspects of how your email behaves. Now, once you're in the settings menu, look for a section labeled Signature Text. This is where Thunderbird allows you to add custom signatures to your outgoing emails. You'll see a few options here for how you want to handle your signature. Next, find the checkbox that says Attach the signature from a file instead. Go ahead and check this box. This option is crucial because it tells Thunderbird that instead of typing your signature directly into a text box, you want to pull it from an external file, which in this case will be your HTML file. This method gives you much more control over the design and formatting of your signature. After checking that box, you'll notice a button labeled Choose appears. Click on this button. This will open a file browser window where you can navigate through your computer's folders to find the HTML file you've prepared for your signature. Navigate to the location where you've saved your HTML email signature file and click on it to select it. Once you've selected the file, confirm your choice. Thunderbird will now link this HTML file to your email account's signature settings. Now, it's a good idea to preview your signature to make sure everything looks correct before you start sending emails. You can do this by checking how it appears in your settings, ensuring that all the elements, colors, and links are displaying properly. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, go back to the main page of Thunderbird. Click on Write a new message to compose a test email. As soon as the composition window opens, scroll down to the bottom of the email body, and you should see your HTML email signature displayed exactly as you designed it. This confirms that the installation was successful and your signature is ready to use in all your outgoing messages. And that's it. You've successfully installed an HTML email signature in Mozilla Thunderbird. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.